So one of the things that you can do is go ahead and work around with real-time collaboration inside of Jotboard. So over here you can see that I have this Jotboard right here. So I can go around over here, let's say for example on this particular Jotboard that I have, and let's say what I want to do is I want to go ahead and share this out with others so that the other member can collaborate with this particular Jotboard at the same time. So to do that, you need to go around over here onto share and then type in the email address of the person that you want to share with right here. Press enter, and then what happens is that that particular person will be added in right here. So now I'm going to go ahead and change that person out as an editor right here and click on done. So once you do that over here on their end, so I'm in the other account now. So over here, you don't see any Jotboard at the moment. That is because I actually need to go to the email first right here in order to go ahead and then access out that particular Jotboard. So you can see that a Jotboard is shared. So if I were to go ahead and click right here, just like this, then what happens is that I will be receiving an invite to edit out that particular Jotboard. So you can see that this is what you have. It says, hi, TutorTube has invited you to collaborate on a TutorTube board. So if I were to go ahead and open up the Jotboard right here, just like this, then what happens is that that particular Jotboard is opened up. And you can see two people are accessing at the same time. So now if I were to go around over here, you can see that I can go ahead and make changes around over here. So let's say, for example, I can go to a particular board. I can go around over here onto the same board over here as well. Let's say, for example, in 4. So if I were to go ahead and make changes right here in real time, you will be able to see that the changes are reflected right here just like this as well. So I can go ahead and edit. Let's say, for example, change around the color, press OK, and that change is reflected right here just like this, as you can see. So that is how you can go ahead and then work around with real-time collaboration inside of Jotboard. So hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.